Cryptocurrency is a digital financial system based on blockchain technology, which provides security and trust through cryptographic protocols. Below is a description of the security system of cryptocurrency. 1. Blockchain. A blockchain is a network that stores transaction data in blocks that are linked in chronological order. The connection between blocks is established using a hashing function, which converts data into a string of numbers and letters, making it irreversible. But due to the structure of the blockchain, transactions and data within a block cannot be easily altered. If any changes are made, discrepancies will be detected when nodes across the network share the updated information. 2. Cryptography. Cryptocurrency systems use asymmetric cryptography, which involves two keys, a private key and a public key. The private key is kept confidential to allow the owner to sign transactions digitally. The public key is shared openly, enabling others to verify the authenticity of the signature and the transaction. This method ensures that transactions are executed only by the account owner as confirmed by the digital signature. 3. Consensus mechanisms. To ensure that transactions and data on the blockchain are correct and uniformly disseminated, the system uses consensus protocols such as proof of work, POW, or proof of stake, POS. These mechanisms enable all nodes in the network to agree on the validity of transactions, preventing issues like double spending or attacks by a small number of malicious actors. 4. Decentralization. Transaction data and records are distributed across numerous nodes in the network. This decentralization creates no single point of failure, making the system more resistant to external attacks. 5. Additional security measures. Users can opt for multi-signature wallets, which require multiple digital signatures from different users to approve a transaction. 'The use of hardware wallets or cold storage is another way to store private keys securely offline, reducing the risk of online attacks. Moreover, many cryptocurrency systems are open source, allowing the community and experts to review, audit, and fix any potential security vulnerabilities. In summary, the security system of cryptocurrency is a combination of blockchain technology and cryptography, along with consensus protocols and additional security measures. This ensures that transactions and data are securely stored and cannot be easily altered, which is essential for maintaining trust in the digital financial system and protecting it from various external attacks. O3 Mini